Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download a PDF statement for your Wells Fargo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download a PDF statement for your Wells Fargo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes your accountant or bookkeeper asks for a PDF version of your bank statements. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo online access. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want a PDF version of one of your bank statements, here on the top menu in white, you're going to click on Accounts. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click here on View Statements and Documents. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options, but you want to click on this one here, Statements and Disclosure. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the account that you want the PDF statement for by clicking on this drop-down box. Once you've chosen the account, you can choose the time period over here on the right. So here you can go ahead and choose the year. I'm going to choose recent statements. Once you do that, your bank statement's going to pop up here on the left. And all you do to download a PDF is just click on the link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download a PDF version of your Wells Fargo statement, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.